Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll see how to write a Python program to reverse each word in a string or in a sentence. Okay, so in a sentence there are multiple words, right? So you want to reverse each word in that string. For example, we have one string s1 is equal to, let me say, learn Python today. Learn Python today. This is basically one sentence or one string. Okay. So you want to do reverse of each word. That means what? You will do, the output should be something like this. Okay, output should be reverse. Again, the reverse is again a string, right? I want to reverse this. It means NRAEL, then NOH TYP, and here YADOT, right? So every word, right? This word I just did reverse, this word I did reverse, this word I did reverse. So basically we want output something like this. Okay, so how you will do it through a Python program, I will show you that. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, so we have one string. This is the string learn Python today. We will try to reverse each word in this string, right? So first of all we need to find, right, what are the words present in this string. So we will take one list. Okay, so basically this words is nothing but a list. Okay, so how we will find s1 dot split. So you know split is a inbuilt Python method. Okay, so by default it will take space, anyway we will not give, okay, because that is the default one. So if we will print, what it will show? Print the words in the string. Okay, you can say words. Okay, let me execute. See, so now we can see all the words. Okay, so what you want now? Now you are able to see all the words. Now we will try to reverse each word here, alright. So for that what you will do, you will write a for loop for I in words. Okay, so for I in words, so we need to reverse each word, right? So basically this word is a list, words is a list which has all these individual words, right? So we will loop through this particular list. So for I in words, here what you will do, you will reverse each word. So for that we will use this slicing operation. Okay, so how you will do that? You can do something like this, I, okay, then you write here colon minus 1. Okay, it will reverse each word. Okay, then it will reverse, right? But how you will put it, right? Where you will put it? We will put it in a list, right? So what we will do, we will take another list also. So let me take another list. I will tell it as reverse. Okay, rev. So this reverse list we will keep it empty. Okay, and now what we will do, we will just append all these words into this reverse list. So for that what we will do, we will do reverse dot append method. Again append is a inbuilt method. Okay, so what will happen? Append each reverse word. Okay, so here we are appending each reverse word. So now if you will see, let me just print this one, reverse words. Okay, here you can write reverse. Now let's execute. See, so basically we have these words. Okay, initially we have these words, then these are the reverse words. Okay, but what you want? You want the reverse string. Okay, so for that what you can do, from this list, right, you need to form a string. Okay, how will do that? You can use join inbuilt method. Okay, so let me tell you how to do that. So for that we will take again another string which is sentence. Okay, sentence is equal to, what we will do here? So we will take this space dot join. Okay, then what you want to join? This reverse. Okay, and finally you can print the reverse sentence or reverse string is, this is the one, right? Okay, I'll do one more thing, it will look good, right? Here I will do the actual string is s1. Okay, let me execute now. See, the actual string is learn Python today. Then we formed a list and then we separated each word, learn Python today. Okay, then what we did? We reversed each word. Okay, that is what you are seeing here. Once we reversed all these things, then finally we formed this particular sentence or particular string. Okay, so for that what you did? You used inbuilt join method. Okay, this is how you can form a string from a list. Okay, you have list of words. That is what we did here. Okay, so now you can ask me, if we don't have this particular string, if you want to do the user input, what you can do? You can just do input. Okay, here you can write enter a string. Okay, now you just execute. See, you enter a string here. Let me tell you, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, it should reverse, each word should reverse here, right? Let's see. See, this is what our user input, or this is what our sentence or string, and then that is what it is printing here. The actual string is this. Then we are separating each word. Okay, you can see all these words here. Then what is happening? Reverse. We are doing reverse here, reverse of each word. Then finally we are writing that sentence, right? Okay, so this is how you can reverse each word in a string. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python program playlist. Go and do watch all those videos. All those videos are very important for the interviews. Please do watch all those. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.